What's up, guys? Good morning. Another early morning. It's almost 4 a.m. as I'm filming this. I've been up since 2:30. I love waking up early, start my day before everyone else, get ahead a little bit more each day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my last video. You guys are freaking awesome, man. We got over 1,000 views in like 7 hours, which is amazing. And we're almost at 200 likes on that last video, which is right here. I'll show you. But that's probably one of my best videos, just in my opinion, out of all the Muln videos that I've made, because I was honestly giving you my feedback on short-term analysis and long-term, and really what I think about Muln compared to other companies. So if you haven't watched that yet, go watch it. It's a great video. It's not too long, about 10 minutes. Don't forget to like this video. Would really appreciate that. We're trying to push this to more people in the YouTube world so that they can learn about Muln. They can see really the amazing opportunity here. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I really appreciate that. I gotta say thank you to all of you. We hit over 500 subscribers. I started this channel November 1st was my first video about Muln. It's actually right here. It's pretty hilarious. You should go watch it if you haven't yet. But definitely appreciate you guys for subscribing. We got some exciting things to show you today. I keep seeing things go around like, why was Muln halted? What are the short sellers doing? So we're gonna get into that today, give you my honest opinion. And also I'm gonna tell you a little bit of where I think Muln might be going today and into next week. So like and subscribe, let's get into it. Guys, don't forget to grab your coffee. You know how it is. Let me grab mine now. Feliz Navidad. This is to all the moms and dads out there. You are the real ones. Let's get into it. So halted stock alerts. Why did NASDAQ stop trading in Muln stock? And we saw this yesterday at 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Muln was not open to trade at all. Every other stock was going up and down, and Muln was just stopped there. And the funny thing is, right before that, we got the news that they got the deal. Okay, and you can see right here. So they got the deal for 200 million from Randy Marion. And that's what kind of made the stock halt. And I honestly think it's because of a lot of different reasons. I think this is manipulated. I think shorts can do whatever the heck they want to do, but us retail have to stick together. And that's why I'm so excited about Muln, because they have so much good news. If you watch my videos before, I talk about we're building a solid EV company. But Muln's automotive stock was halted this morning due to reason codes T1, T2, and T3. The halt was due to the company announcing a $200 million purchase order from Randy Marion, a division of Randy Marion Automotive Group. Muln stock is up more than 25% on the news. So guys, we touched an all-time high for the day. I know people were correcting me. I know we're not an all-time high, okay? I know 60 cents wasn't an all-time high either. But the all-time high for the day, we touched 40 cents, okay? Which is pretty crazy, because as I look at the charts, I was kind of thinking we were gonna go there. I honestly believe if this didn't get halted, we could have gone much higher, okay? If you wanna know exactly where I think we're going next, feel free to check out my Patreon. It's $5 a month. There's only 2 spots left, so people have been piling in. We have an amazing Discord that's free, which I'll link down below. If you want to join the community, we talk a lot about Muln stock, other stocks, a lot of motivation stuff too. I want to give you guys some ways on how you can level up this next year in 2023. That is what this is all about, is getting better every single day. Regardless of what the stock market does, we have to get better as people. So check it out if you want to lock it in. Once those 10 spots are gone, it's gone. Then we got this wave. It's $7 a month, 15 out of 15. Now, I'm not going to open up any other spots outside of the 10 and the 15 for this cost. So get it while you can. Let's get back into it. Muln automotive stock was momentarily halted this morning, which was yesterday, after the company announced that it had received a $200 million purchase order from Randy Marion, which was a division. Shares were halted from 8:55 a.m. to 9:50 Eastern. So basically 20 minutes into market open, they reopened and you were able to trade Muln. And the funny thing is, right when they reopened it, we jumped from like 25 cents to 35 cents, and then we touched 40 cents, and then we started coming down. So I did do some trading in there that I shared with my Patreon members. According to NASDAQ, the reason codes behind the halt were T1, T2, and T3. The first of these, T1, states that the halt was initiated because Muln stock was pending the release of material news. Pending, whatever that is. So it's another reason that they're allowed to halt. Again, if it did not halt, I think we would have gone much higher yesterday. We'll see what happens today. Next, T2 states that the news has begun the dissemination process through a regulation FD compliant method Regulation FD is a rule that prevents publicly traded companies from disclosing material non-public information to people outside of a company. They have their things on why they can do this. I'm still a believer in Muln in the long run. Finally, T3 is the code that shows that the information has been disseminated through a Regulation FD compliant manner, or that the system misuse or malfunction is deemed by NASDAQ to no longer have material effect on the stock. In other words, T3 signals the end of the halt. Yeah. So again, it's manipulated. Shorts are scared. They're losing money. We're gonna go to the freaking moon. Not all the way to the freaking moon, but we do have some places that we can move to the upside from what I've looked at the charts. Okay, and I've kind of shared that in videos prior to this. With all that in mind, let's get into the details of the purchase order. Muln received a purchase order of 200 million, which we've gone over. This is why the stock moved. We've had good news after good news, and why I'm a firm believer in Muln is acquiring assets, the hires, the good news, the deals. I'm excited for what's coming. December 20th, we'll see what happens. That's gonna be an exciting date. But again, you gotta be careful with this stock, okay? It could go up very fast and it could come down very fast. RMI has agreed to purchase 6,000 Class 1 electric vehicle vans from Muln, with the first delivery set to begin the first quarter of 2023. Guys, it's pretty much already 2023. We have 15 days left, okay? The exact timetable, the entire purchase order was not immediately disclosed. However, the CEO added the following about the news. We see a tremendous opportunity with Muln commercial portfolio, and the launch of the commercial van could not come at a better time. There's significant pent-up customer demand for Muln. Oh my goodness, guys. There's significant pent-up customer demand for Muln to fulfill. There's a need. If you want to have a successful business, find the need, provide the solution. I have many companies looking at me to find product for their companies. Earlier this week, Muln announced that it had entered into a commercial partner deal with RMA, its first U.S. dealer partner. As part of the agreement, RMA will service and sell Muln's portfolio of Class 1 through 6 EVs. Randy Marion Automotive operates 12 dealerships across North Carolina and South Carolina, making it one of the largest dealerships in the region. Oh my goodness, guys. I am very excited for what's to come. Guys, have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate all of you, and we'll see you on the next one.